Hey, what's going on, guys? John Lee with Drone Zones USA here. So before I lose track of it or I discover that somebody else has already invented it, I wanted to tell you about this really cool invention, idea, concept that I was just kind of brainstorming in my head. And you know, there's ways that people can do crash site reconstruction with drone mapping and stuff like that. And then it dawned on me, you know, by the time somebody can actually get there, a lot of times the stuff's already been moved or people have been moved, like the site has already been tampered with or whatever. What if there was a small drone that could be attached to a vehicle that would automatically deploy when it sensed or had sensors that would trip it and tell it, hey, an accident has happened. Boom, the drone automatically goes up, pre-built-in software, pre-programmed to map like an immediate radius. And then you would have all the data that you need to actually map out a crash scene, and just in case you needed it. But what if, you know, I was thinking, hey, I'm driving, if I were to get in an accident, I have my drone, you know, in my car, but could I actually map it out? I would get out and map it out, and then I thought, well, what if I was incapacitated? Then I wouldn't be able to actually get out and map my own crash scene. And that's what gave me the idea that what if there was one on a vehicle, a small drone, that when it detected a crash, boom, it would send itself up and automatically run this map for the crash site. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. I'm not sure if they already have that, but it seems really cool to me and futuristic. But it seems like something that really insurance companies, car dealers, maybe car rental companies, or just individuals would like to have for the peace of mind of knowing that if something were to happen, that they could actually have, you know, an orthomosaic map or a 3D model of the scene of the accident. And so, yep, that's my thoughts. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you like these videos. I'm on my way to talk to this company down in Kansas City about some search engine optimization and hopefully some stuff we can do for my business, because kind of been in the dumps, and even though I'm pioneering this technology, I'm just still feel like I'm a million miles from where I want to or ought to be. I'm on to the next one.